Hazrat Amr bin Dinar has reported from Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah that Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal would perform prayer with the Prophet ﷺ, and when he would return to his people, he used to lead them in the prayer. Once he recited chapter the cow in the prayer, the reporter says, a man thereupon got aside and performed short prayer. When this news reached Hazrat Muaz radiyallahu anhu, he said, he is a hypocrite. When that man knew it, he visited the Prophet ﷺ and submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, we are the people who work with our own hands and irrigate our lands. Hazrat Muaz radiyallahu anhu prolonged the prayer while leading us in prayer and recited the chapter the cow. So I performed a short prayer alone. So he thereupon considered me a hypocrite. The Prophet ﷺ whereupon said, O Muaz, are you putting the people to trial? He said it thrice. You should recite the chapters like the sun and the Most High. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6106.